Welcome. This video will be a quick guide for beginners on how to start using your Samsung The Frame TV. First of all, if you didn't go through the initial setup yet, I highly recommend checking out the other video on our channel on how to perform the initial setup on Samsung The Frame. But in this video, I'm going to tell you what to do next once your account is set up and once you are connected to the Wi-Fi. So let's start with getting to know the remote controls. So first of all, of course, the power button. However, it's not necessarily the power button. Not necessarily does it power off or on your device. In order to power it on, you have to short press this button when your TV is turned off. But to power it off, you have to hold this button for a couple of seconds, and if you single press it while your device is powered on, it will switch your TV to the art mode. And so when you are in the art mode, it will do the opposite when you single press it. So it will return you to the home menu. Now this button is to open your settings or access additional, for example, digits on your remote control, or to use those colorful circles you can usually find on remotes. And it will also let you use the SmartThings, which is a cool thing, but I will tell you about it later. And now let's go to the next button, which is this microphone button you can find right here. Now this microphone button lets you use your voice assistant and control your device using voice, but to use it you have to first single press it and then select the language of your voice assistant, then click next, continue, and that's it. Now you can use it to speak with your voice assistant, and to do that you just have to hold this button down and say something like launch Netflix, and it will do so. And okay, so this is the middle button on your remote control is OK button. So yeah, so whenever you want to select something, just press the middle button. These are the side buttons, so up, down, right, left, and below you can find the return button, which will let you return to the previous menu, the home button, which will let you go to the home screen, and play pause button for playing or pausing media. Now these two buttons are interesting because it's actually not just two buttons, but let me count, six different buttons. So this one, if you press it, it will mute your audio, but if you move it upwards, it will actually increase your audio, and if you move it downwards, it will decrease your sound volume. Now this is for switching channels, works in the same way. If you press it, you will see the list of channels available for you, and if you push it upwards, it will switch to the next channel, downwards the previous one. So pretty easy. Now this www button will open the web browser, obviously, and these three buttons for quick access to popular streaming services. So that's it for the pilot. Now the next thing that you should get to know about is how to customize your picture and sound settings. Well, as we already learned, this button will open these settings, but for some reason we cannot access picture settings this way. I don't know, maybe not in all these TV's modes. So I just want to show you the other way to access the settings. On your home screens, press the left button to open the sidebar, and on the sidebar scroll down to settings, then press OK. Press OK once again to access all settings, and here you can find the picture settings. First of all, if you want the better image quality, change the picture mode from standard to movie. So movie is obviously to watch movies, so it's the best picture mode that you can get. And to change your picture settings, you can go to expert settings and here adjust all the values. We have actually the separate video on our channel where I explain how to get the best picture settings on your device, and you can also actually use the smart calibration feature, which is available if you download the SmartThings application, if you remember it, the one that we that I mentioned before. So SmartThings, and your device has to be in order to perform the smart calibration, your device has to be either the Galaxy S, Note, Z Flip, or Z Fold released after January 2019, or an iPhone that supports Face ID. So basically, yeah, also the iPhones that were released after 2019 or in 2019. I'm not really sure about it, but yeah. So that's how you change the picture quality. Now you change the sound quality. Go to sound menu, and here you can change the sound output by selecting this option and then selecting a different sound output. But probably don't have any outputs, any other outputs right here. But if you want to, for example, add a Bluetooth speaker, go to Bluetooth speaker list, put your Bluetooth speaker into pairing mode, and your device TV will start scanning for available Bluetooth devices. Then you just have to select it on the list and connect to it. Okay, and here you can also change the sound mode to adaptive sound or to amplifier sound. And Q Symphony is available for Samsung audio devices. So if you have like Samsung soundbar connected to your device, you can enable Q Symphony. And you can also adjust more sound settings in expert settings. And one more additional thing that I want to mention here, I just mentioned this Q Symphony, which will synchronize the sound between your Samsung device and your TV speaker, but you can actually do it with any speaker. Maybe the quality will not be just as good, but what you have to do to set up your Bluetooth speaker with your TV is go to General and Privacy, then Accessibility menu, and then navigate down to the multi-output audio, and then select this feature, navigate to it, and switch the toggle to the right. And then you can select any of your Bluetooth speakers that you have around, and this sound will be synchronized between your speaker and your TV, no matter if it's a Samsung speaker or any other speaker. Well, there are plenty of speakers better than the Samsung ones, I think. Okay, so the next thing is, of course, exploring the Smart Hub, which is your home menu simultaneously. So you can navigate here just like, well, in Androids, though of course, yeah, you are moving along this menu like element by element, unlike in Androids, of course. But yeah, if you want to remove any app from your TV, you have to hold your middle button on it and then select remove, and you can also replace your applications, rearrange them by moving them left and right in this mode. Then just press OK button once again, and the changes will be applied. You can also go to edit list option, select it, and do the same thing. Yeah, but I think it's much easier to do so with gestures like holding down this OK button. Yeah, as for these ones you cannot remove, of course. And also let's go to the apps menu. In the apps menu you can download all the apps that you need, but using the apps menu itself is not like super convenient unless, well, you just want to find some popular app like, I don't know, Crunchyroll, if you'd like to watch some anime. anime. I don't know how to pronounce it properly. Okay, Spotify or other Twitch, Xbox, GeForce Now, and many other applications. But if you are looking for some specific application, go to your sidebar, go to search, and then select this search field, and here you'll have to enter the name for your application the same way you provided your Wi-Fi password. So just navigate with your side buttons and select characters with your OK button. And besides, to download any application, you have to, let's download HBO Max. So just click on the application and then click install. Once the application is installed, which usually happens very fast unless it's a heavy application, you can, and you should actually add this application to your home for easier access by clicking right here, add to home. If you don't do it right now, you can always find this application in apps, and then select it, and then and add it to your home later. And now let me also display you the art mode, which is available on your sidebar. Here you can find many different photos that you can put on your art, to be displayed on your art mode. Most of them are available with the membership, so you're gonna have to buy the membership yourself a membership to use them. Then there's a bunch to choose from. Now let's go back to the home menu, and let me tell you about the SmartThings application, which I think will be the last thing that I'd like you to know, because, well, SmartThings application is pretty useful for this TV, as it will let you create some routines for your TV, like auto turning on at a specific time, or auto turning off. So just open the SmartThings application. If you don't see it on your home menu, you can go to the apps list and then find SmartThings in provided by Samsung feature section. Tap continue, and well, right now basically I don't think if you can do normally you can do much with this application unless you connect your phone to it. So download the SmartThings application on your smartphone, and then you're gonna have to connect your TV to your well, once you sign into your Samsung account in the SmartThings application on your smartphone, you're gonna have to connect your TV to your smartphone, and then download the remote control for it, and then you'll be able to not only use your Samsung, use your smartphone to control your Samsung TV, but like this. But you will also be able to create some routines for your device, and you can do this. You can also adjust art settings for your TV, and you can also add your own photos to this list so that they will be displayed on your TV's screen. Let's actually add this Wednesday photo, and we'll see how we can make an art out of it. Just give me a moment. Okay, so this picture is not of the best quality, but yeah, now it's the art that we have on our screen. Okay, so and it's not the only thing that you can do with it. The other things include like creating routines, and also adjusting the settings for your device. And yeah, I mean, This is too much to explain in one video, but we have like 2 videos on this topic. First one is how to use your smartphone as a remote control, which will explain you how to download and install the SmartThings application on your smartphone, then sign into your Samsung account, then connect it to your TV. This process is pretty simple, though if you need some guidance on your way, you're highly welcome to use mine. And also we have a video on how to create routines. I'm not sure what it's titled. I hope it is titled how to create routines. Or maybe it's titled how to use SmartThings. I'm not really sure. But yeah, we also have the separate video on this topic. And so basically, yeah, you just connect your SmartThing, you install SmartThings application on your phone, you open it on your TV, you find your TV on your phone, and then you can use your phone as a remote control and create routines and change your art mode, adjust your art mode, change the settings on your TV, and do a bunch of different stuff there. If you have more SmartThings like smart lights and other accessories from Samsung, then you can do whatever you want basically within your home. And so that's it for this video. I really hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.